discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. You can do it. Oh, wow. You got fur action in here, too.
Yep.
Nice.
We've added one since the last time he was in it. Oh, it's fine. Josh Weldon. I've got 3 Team FI 18s, 1 Crescendo 17K.
So 3, how was that wire configuration on it then?
1.3 right now.
1.3? Okay.
Series Pro.
Yes, sir.
I'm not brave enough to do a quarter.
Yeah. Oh, no. Wow. What made you mount them inverted versus regular?
I've always loved inverted. That and the only way I could get this box to fit in this truck was to do them inverted to make the cubic footage right.
Yeah.
And it's what I had to do.
And is there a port on the side?
Yes.
Okay.
It is a side slot board.
Okay. Very nice.
The plan is to put 3 17Ks on it. One per sub.
It needs a dual, so you're gonna wire the 1 ohm amp? Wow. That's crazy. These subs are beefy. Are these the 4-inch coil subs?
Yeah. They're the V1s.
V1s, okay. Here, look can I see under the hood and in the alternator? Is there just 2 or is there a third one?
2.
2. Oh, so no stock? Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah, with the third amp, I probably might have to have a third.
Right here? Yeah. Man, that's gonna be, you're gonna pop a window.
That's
Wow.
the plan.
Wow. Hey, what's up? Doing videos. Daily cardio videos. Subscribe. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of Josh's system at the Savannah Seaport Showdown in Savannah, Georgia area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely, I really like the motor structure of them subs being inverted and a triple sub system, making it unique. So this amplifier is at, I think he said 1.2 ohm, and he was eventually planning to do 2 or 3 of these amps. So 1 per amp, that would be insane. I honestly thought that even this amount of power was a lot you're going to see during the demo. Didn't really get to see how much electrical he had, but I'm pretty sure he had a couple of limitless Cyber 12Ks behind that amplifier to help power the juice with the dual alt setup you saw. And if you notice the port, you're not going to be able to see it on this video, but it is actually hidden down there. It is a slot port on the side behind the driver's seat. All the pressure was coming off of that area to breathe for the box. And being a triple sub system inverted, optimal amount of space, because these are 18-inch subs, so you need as much space as possible in a truck like this. So having them inverted probably gave him an additional cube plus a box. And of course, he's wanting to play as low as possible at same. Really windy system you're going to see during the demo. It was pretty crazy to see how much pressure was coming out of this box. And of course, the specs, I wanted to kind of see how much they were rated for. These are rated at 4,500 watt RMS is what it showed online. This is the version 2 Team Phi. Don't think they're manufactured anymore. They're fully custom built in the USA. So shout out to Phi, did a really good job. And this total of 17,000 watts on 3 18-inch subs for the bass demo we're going to be getting to now. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day and enjoy the demo.
low throw too.
Yeah, it needs a lot more power though.
Man. It said it needs more power.
The plan is to put 317 gauge on it. For one per sub.
Wow. It needs a dual, so you're gonna wire the 1 ohmer amp? Wow. That's crazy. These subs are beefy. Are these the 4-inch coil subs?
Yeah, they're the V1s.
V1s, okay. Hey, thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?